Before you swear off bread, dump your coffee, or toss those frozen veggies in the trash, stop. What if we told you some of the foods you've been avoiding are actually healthier than you think? That's right. Today we're busting myths and giving 7 foods a much-deserved health rebrand. Stick around, because number 5 might just shock you. Let's start with number 1. Eggs. For years, eggs were labeled as unhealthy because of their cholesterol content. But here's the truth. The cholesterol in eggs doesn't directly impact the cholesterol in your blood. In fact, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. They're packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins like B12 and D, and even healthy fats. So skip the egg white-only trend and enjoy the whole egg. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Next up, number 2. Frozen foods. When you hear frozen, you might think of pizza or ice cream, but frozen fruits and vegetables are a game changer. They're picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen, locking in their nutrients. Studies show they can be just as nutritious, if not more, than fresh produce. Plus, they're super convenient. Toss some frozen berries into your oatmeal or steam a bag of veggies for a quick side dish. Just keep an eye on added sodium or sauces. Now, number 3, coffee. Yes, too much caffeine can leave you jittery, but in moderation, coffee is a health hero. It's rich in antioxidants and essential B vitamins. Research even links moderate coffee consumption to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes and improved brain function. The key? Keep it simple. Skip the sugary syrups and fancy add-ons. A plain black coffee or one with a splash of milk is your best bet. Here's a big one. Number 4, carbs. Bread, pasta, oats. Carbs have been demonized for years, but they're actually essential for your body. Your brain, kidneys, and muscles rely on carbs for energy. Plus, whole grain carbs are packed with fiber, which keeps you full and supports digestion. The trick is to choose complex carbs like whole grains, sweet potatoes, and quinoa over refined options like white bread. Speaking of carbs, let's talk about number 5, gluten. These days, gluten-free is everywhere. But unless you have celiac disease or a gluten intolerance, gluten isn't the villain. It's simply a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye that gives dough its structure. Whole grain versions of gluten-containing foods are often less processed and more nutritious than their gluten-free counterparts. So if you don't have a medical reason to avoid it, enjoy that whole grain pasta or bread guilt-free. Up next, number 6, dairy. Not all dairy is created equal. Greek yogurt is a far cry from ice cream, but dairy is a fantastic source of nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, and protein. Even if you're lactose intolerant, you might still be able to enjoy fermented options like yogurt, kefir, or aged cheese. These products are easier to digest and still pack a nutritional punch. Just remember, moderation is key. Finally, number 7, canned fruits and vegetables. Like frozen, canned produce is picked at peak ripeness and preserved immediately. They're affordable, convenient, and surprisingly nutritious. Just be sure to choose options with no added salt or sugar. Canned beans, tomatoes, and corn can be lifesavers for quick, healthy meals. So there you have it, 7 foods that deserve a second chance. From eggs and coffee to gluten and dairy, these foods can be part of a healthy, balanced diet. The key is to choose wisely and enjoy them in moderation. What's one food you've been avoiding that you'll give another shot? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more myth-busting nutrition tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.